Do you know many people are having trouble attaching accessories to their vacuum cleaners? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Unplug vacuum. Ensure the vacuum cleaner is unplugged to keep things safe and sound. Step 2. Release wand. Press the wand release button to detach the quick-release cleaning wand. Step 3. Insert hose. Remove the wand upwards and insert the hose for accessory use. Step 4. Attach tool. Choose your desired accessory tool and attach it firmly to the wand's end. Step 5. Remove tool. After use, twist and detach the tool, storing it properly for future use. After following these steps, you should easily attach accessories to your DIRTDEVIL vacuum. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other DIRTDEVIL users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.